Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay and my baby DayDay. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so
Hey, Mommy.
today we're gonna go ahead and attempt and do some, what are we doing?
Eternal.
No, what are we gonna do? Slime. This is our first time doing slime. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what we got. We got 2 bottles of glue, one for me, one for DayDay. And then we got some detergent. Also, oops, go ahead and fix y'all. Also, as you can see right here on the side, I do have some glitters. I have, what color is this?
Green.
Green, good job. We have gold, and then we have silver. And then also, we have some acrylic paint, because I'm going to go ahead and do this aqua green, aqua blue, and then we also have this plum that Davian might do. So, Davian, are you ready? Y'all see all these, we got foam balls too. Y'all see them flying around. By the way, we are outside, so if you do hear any noise in the background, it's because of the planes. We do live near an airport, so sorry about that, guys. Okay, sit down so we can go ahead and do the slime. David has the big, we got 2 plastic containers. David has the bigger one and I have the smaller one. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. No, not that one, not yet. We're gonna go ahead and do the glue first.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
Okay, let me open it.
Mommy, I'm doing it.
I'm gonna go ahead and open mine. Hey.
Hey. Mommy, I'm doing
Oh no, this is mommy's. This is mine.
it. Bye.
Yeah. No, don't do it here. Do it in yours. There you go. So this is our first time doing slime, guys. So bear with us, okay? We might not know what we're doing. All right, so that's it for mine. I'm not even measuring it, so I don't know.
Mommy.
I'm not measuring it, so I don't know how much detergent I'm supposed to put or anything, or I'm putting. It's okay. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. So we're gonna go ahead and put the detergent. So we're gonna go ahead and put it. I don't know how much to put. Okay, I think that might be enough. We're gonna add little as we go because I don't know how much you actually need. So let's go ahead and mix in. Look, Davian's fast at it.
Mommy, more?
I think I might have put a lot on Davian's slime. Let's move this out the way so they can see you. Let's move these containers out of the way.
I want blue, please.
You want blue? Okay, mix in your detergent first, and then I'll give you whatever you need, okay? So we're mixing it in. Okay, you still have a lot of detergent in there. So let us know down below on the comments if we are doing any of the steps correct. How's yours doing?
Good.
You're doing good? Okay, seems like you're having fun over there. I think mommy might need a little bit more detergent so it can get hardened.
Mona?
Yeah, let me see yours. Let's mix yours in a little bit more. Yours
I'll
looks
put it
like it's,
on.
oh, okay, I'm sorry. You're gonna do yours? I think we need to scoot Davian up a little bit. Davian down a little bit. Let me scoot you down this way so they can see you. There you go. There you go. Like that. There you go.
Huh?
Your hands? Look at mommy's hands. Ah!
I'm so good.
Huh? They're sticky?
Mommy.
I think mommy needs more detergent on hers.
Mommy, so
Yeah.
good.
I know, it's okay. Look. Okay, do yours, baby. Look at yours. Mix it in really good in there. Get in there. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit more detergent. This does get a little messy, guys.
Mommy,
So
more, please.
okay. Oh, just put a little bit more on yours because yours doesn't really need very much anymore. Yours is pretty good.
That good?
Yeah.
I'm out for.
Oh, okay. Let's use the fork. Can mommy use the fork too? Ooh, we're gonna twirl around. Look, twirl around like this, like mommy. There you go. I think that's working, guys. Look it. Ooh. There you go. Look at yours. That's awesome.
Mix, 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 mix.
All right, so I think mine should be good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my acrylic paint. I'm gonna go ahead and do the. Which color do you want? I'm gonna actually let Davian choose his color. So which color do you want? The green one? Okay, so he wants the aqua one. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in his. Is yours already good? Let me see your slime. Okay, but wait, hold on, okay? Let mommy mix your slime really quick. I'm helping Davian because his needs to get a little bit more hard. All right, I think that might be good. Go ahead. Don't pour very much, just a little. You need help? Squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it out like this. Let me help. Like this.
Uncle, stop.
All right, I think that's enough. Now go ahead and mix it with your fork. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine. You wanna put purple in there too?
Yeah.
All right, fine. Let's go ahead and put purple. Wow. Now Davian has purple. Let's go ahead and shake it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do mine's purple. Ooh. Okay. Yep. Go ahead and mix it. Mix yours like this. There you go. Let me go ahead and bring you guys a little bit closer. Look, as you guys can see through the. Let me move this really quick. Sorry, guys. As you guys can see through the plastic containers, mine is already purple. Let's go ahead and mix yours, Davian. Mix yours in. Like this, look. So it can get blue. I'm helping you. You guys see the purple? Ooh. All right. So now we're gonna go. Davian, let me help you out, okay? Let me help you out a little bit. Look at your container over there in the camera. It looks green. Okay, Davian doesn't want me to help him, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything in on mine. I'll just let Davian do whatever he wants on his. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the gold because I want gold on mine. Okay. You have to mix yours more. Mix it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some gold on mine. Mine looks like it needs to be a little bit more harder as well. Here.
Okay.
So let me know, guys. I don't think my slime is coming out very good. Okay, I think that's good. Look, you already put some on yours. All right. So you want to put some foam? We're gonna go ahead and add some foam balls to ours. Look at how messy our hands are. This is ridiculous. All right. You want to add some? Ooh. You want? Which one do you want? Green. Green. This is silver. You want silver?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put silver on Davian's. Oh, you want to do it? Okay. So I guess he wants to be a big boy and do everything on his own. Okay. And that's enough. Okay, go ahead and mix it. Yours is good enough. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and take mine out of. Oops, sorry guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take mine out of the container, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play with it for a little bit. So I went ahead and removed the container. I'm gonna go ahead and play with mine and see if it gets a little bit hard. Ooh, be careful. Because right now it seems like it's still a little gushy. So let's go ahead and play. Are you done? Yours looks very, very messy. Look at his hand, it's dripping. I told you have to mix it. Mix it with the fork.
I'm taking my hand.
I know, you gotta mix it in. I think this was a complete fail, you guys. I think we might have did this wrong. Well, actually mine looks like it's coming a little bit along, but I'm not sure. I don't know about Davian's. Davian's looks way too watery. You gotta mix it with your fork, baby. Use your fork. So I guess we just gotta keep playing with it, because look.
Mine looks like it's coming along. I think I did mine right. Mommy did hers good. mix it.
Hmm?
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, mix it, but mix it with your hands really good. Look at mommy's slime. Mommy's slime came out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and help out Davian as well, so his slime can come out. Cause I think he just needs to be playing with his a lot more. It looks watery. Look at mommy's slime. Hey. Davian, look at Davian. Well, there's some pieces in his slime that are hard. He just has to be playing with it like me. Because mine was watery too, and then it got hard. Just gotta play with it. And I did put some foam balls in there so you can kind of see it in there. I did add some glitter, but I mean, you can kind of see it, not really. How does yours feel?
Good.
Good? Is it slimy? Is it watery? What? Are you trying to do it like mommy? You want mommy to help you? Huh?
I'll help you.
You don't want mommy to help you? Huh? Look, so your slime can be like mommy's. You don't want mama to help you?
No.
No? You want to do it on your own? You want to be a big boy and do it on yourself?
Mom, did you, mommy?
It's okay. This is our first time experiencing this, so this is crazy. I didn't think that slime would take this long to make, at least to get hardened. But I think actually mine is done already. Look at guys. Davian, come on, look, you gotta play with the slime. Mommy's gonna help you right now, okay?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, look, your slime has to get hard like mommy's. So I got a purple slime. Yay! Davian's gonna have an aqua blue slime.
Blue.
No more. Look, yours is already blue. You don't need no more. Okay, so I'm gonna set mine down right there. It looks like a purple poop. So I'm gonna go ahead and help Davian out. Here, let me see. Let me help you. Do it. Look, mommy's gonna show you. Cause you have to grab it like this. Look, grab it, and then we're gonna put it over here. Look, like hard. You see mommy's slime? Mine's is like melting over there. I'm trying to get Davian's hard. This is very, very hard. Look, yours is almost getting hard. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you right now. Let me just get it a little bit more harder, okay? Are your hands really dirty?
No.
Oh, yeah, they are. Look, show the camera. Tell them. Wow, what color are they?
Green.
No, they're blue. Yeah, it's blue. Try to get all the slime from the table and then try to add it right here. Look. All right, so Davian seems like it's coming along. Sorry for all the noise in the background, guys. I did tell you guys we are outside.
Yeah, try to grab all the slime on the table. Mommy, roll. Alright, so look, Davian seems to be coming along. Maybe you're gonna have a slime.
I think we did it, guys. It was a little messy in the beginning, but you just gotta play with it, like I said. And then you'll be able to get your slime. Look at Davian's. Look, Davian, your slime is coming along. Let's get all of this. I'm trying to get all the glue from the table because it's very messy.
I'm Timmy.
Sorry. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this to Davian so he can play with it. I think this should be good. Alright, go ahead. Here. Just mess with it, okay? Here, grab it. Yeah, play with it like that. Look, it's falling on the floor. You gotta make sure you grab it right. Whoa. It's all on mommy's hands. You guys see my hand? How messy is this? Okay, relax. Here. Grab it. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna get back to mine now. So mine is gonna have a little bit of blue because I was messing with Davian's slime, so. Look at, oh my gosh. Let me help you. Okay, here you go.
Thinking.
Okay, mess with it, okay? So it won't go down. Gotta keep playing with it. Play with it. Play with it.
Pretty.
Yeah, but look, don't let it go to the floor. Look it. Going to the floor. You gotta grab it. Look, do it like this, like mommy.
Mommy.
Okay, do it. Do it like mommy. Look. All right, here, grab your slime. Whoa. Yay, so I think me and Davian did it. Look it, show your slime. Hey! Your slime is fun.
Whoa, this thing is really sticky. 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 Huh? I'm sticky.
You can see mine is the purple mixed with blue, and this is Davian's. All right, y'all, so this is the end of our video. Hope you guys liked it. This was our first time doing the slime. As you can see, mine is the purple one mixed in with the little blue, and DayDay's was the blue one. So yeah, let us know how we did and any tips on how to do slime, because as you can see in the beginning, we were having trouble, right, Davian? Yeah, we were having trouble. So go ahead, say bye.
Bye.
Kisses. Say subscribe to our channel.
Channel.
Okay, but you gotta look at the camera and tell them. Say subscribe.
Cup.
Yep, subscribe to our channel. Like and share the video with anybody and everybody. Bye, guys.
I guess.
Give them a kiss. All right, bye, y'all.